Pre-COVID, FRCS had a staffing capability of about 870 staff. As at today, we sit at about 570. It's a significant reduction in capability. And if we really want to drive home the ease of doing business and some important reforms in the FRCS space, we do need to grow. We are now just as busy as we were pre-COVID, both in the tax space and obviously the customs space in the movement of trade and people. So with the support of the board, we've got some agreement to recruit an additional 100 staff. That may seem quite a lot to you all, but it's fantastic news for Fiji, because what it means is that the organisation will be fit for purpose going forward.
It'll begin right now. So, obviously actually recruiting 100 plus people is quite a big exercise. It's very much a priority for us because we actually need those people, some in those new skill sets that we've talked about, but we also want to actually give all those former employees who were made compulsory redundant, largely because of COVID. Well, we're over COVID. The economy's picking up. We want to give some of those staff the opportunity to come back and work with us. I think FRCS is on quite an exciting journey. We're not perfect. We're seeking to be a great tax administration, really focused on our customers, but we need the right number of staff to actually help us deliver that service to our community and to our taxpayers. And on the customs side, so I talked about 105 positions, 46 of those positions are in the customs space. You've seen how busy our ports are on the trade side of life. You've seen how busy our airports are. We're actually doing extremely well, but it's important that from a customs perspective, we provide a great service. All our customs officers sit at the border, and then the first people that our tourists see when they come into Fiji through the airports. We've got to give them a great concierge service and welcome them to Fiji.